Hello everybody, welcome to MachineStation. My name is George Rivera. I'm the National Sales Manager here for MachineStation, and I'm very pleased to announce today that we had a HAAS EC-400 arrive at our Houston, Texas branch. This machine is in fantastic condition. It's ready to ship out and get cutting for you. It comes with a 12,000 RPM inline direct drive spindle, with through spindle coolant of course, and it also comes with a VQCPS probing system. It's got the 4th axis dual pallet changer as well as the 40 count tool changer. You've got your expanded program memory, remote jog handle, rigid tapping. You're gonna have to bear with me. This machine is absolutely stacked. It comes with advanced tool management, the power failure detection module, user definable macros, as well as spindle orientation and coordinate rotational scaling. Brush type servo drive motors on all axes and the high pressure coolant system of course. For the full specifications, I'm going to go ahead and list it in the description below so we can go ahead and take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it. It's the HAAS EC-400. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the machine at all, call us at 909-919-9600. Email us at sales@machinestation.us or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.